Hey y'all, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel where I do stuff. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Today's video is a little bit different because it's kind of about nothing, but yet stuff happens. So, I don't know, you're just gonna have to watch. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Well, I have had a terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day. So what do we do when that happens? We come to the river. And unfortunately, it is way higher than I expected it to be. I looked at level data, but there is not a station here to read the depth. So I was a little off in my estimation, but so what? We're here. I'm going to change into something a little bit more comfortable because I'm wearing like jeans. So gonna change clothes and then walk upstream on the bank because that's pretty much what's visible right now, and see what we can find. So I just got done saying there wasn't anything out here, but I lied. So these right here, if you follow them up, you will see there's a turtle egg nest up there. I am assuming that they were either dug out, like predated, or they hatched. And so I'm gonna see if I can see anything else in there. Like maybe eggs that didn't hatch. I mean, it's been a long time, but I thought it would be cool to have like turtle eggs if any of them didn't hatch. But I can't really do that with this in my hand. So, be right back. Yeah, that was so long ago, there's no way to tell. It's all collapsed back in and all of that, so. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep, I guess, looking around. I'm gonna go up the bank a little higher towards, like, out of the floodplain. See if I can find anything at all, but I don't hold out a whole lot of hope. So we're gonna do a quick little story time here. So if you saw one of my first ever fossil hunting videos, which I will put up over here for you, you will have seen me talk about running away and like getting away from the railroad track when the train comes. There's a reason for that, because things fall off train cars. And what also happens when people go over bridges is, for some reason, they like to throw things off out of their car as they go over. It could be a rock, it could be a stolen wallet, it could be a body, who knows. But somebody just threw something off the bridge when they drove over, and I heard it hit the water. So yeah, luckily I wasn't standing under it at the time. But yeah, it was sizable, whatever it was. So glad it didn't hit me. Remember that, kids, when you're hanging out under a bridge at a river or train tracks. Beware of what may come off the bridge. Okay, so back in the Jeep, and I am going to take a quick look at my maps, figure out where else to go, because I found nothing except those turtle eggs. That was it. So I need to find somewhere else, maybe a creek around here that I haven't gone to before. There's really no more river access, so I'm gonna check and see what's around, and I'll be back. So I must have just the world's worst luck. I don't know. But I found another location. It was just like a bridge over a creek. And I saw a sign on the way in. And this is in the middle of farmland. Like, not much going on around here. The workmen were in the creek. Like, literally in the creek with, like, they're hanging wires of some sort. So I couldn't even like go down to do any looking around because them and their big old work trucks and stuff were down actually in the water. So that's out. Luckily, this road continues. Excuse me. This road continues and I can keep going all the way through to another highway. But Lord, who knew it was going to be this complicated? It's a little dusty out here. I have no intention of going inside this building because I don't want to get hurt in any way. That's kind of cool. We'll go take a look in that window right there. Smells like you would expect an old house to smell like. I draw the line at wasps. But this looks like it was an old shed. You can see all the puppy pads, and that's the roof over there. And there are like beans or something coming up that were planted out here. I don't know what. Oh, there's beans. Some kind of beans. I'll see if I can plant them. Cups and all kinds of interesting stuff. It looks like there's schoolwork right there from 1988. You can see the entire roof is going on this side, and it's kind of interesting. Floppy disk right over here in the dirt. There's another floppy disk in the dirt. you're enjoying today's video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel. It helps move the algorithm forward, and it lets me know that you enjoy the content I'm bringing you. So I stopped at this really cool bridge, and that is the railway right there. You can see it through the trees. But I don't think there's any safe way for me to get down there. And even if I did get down there, good luck getting back up. Well, maybe you can tell how steep it is. That's level. So yeah, not going to be able to explore that. I think it's just as bad on any side. Look at that pretty grasshopper. Ooh, okay, so that's kind of cool. You see that spot right there? That is a nest for a perch. When they spawn, they clear out little areas like that for their eggs. I mean, it could be bass too, but given the size of this creek, I'd say it's probably a perch. And there's nothing sitting on it, I don't think. And when she's sitting on that nest, you can't get her to eat no matter what lure you throw at her. Okay, remember what I said about Phil? Whoops. Didn't even get to see me pick that one up. Not fantastic, but kind of cool calcite clamshell. Well, y'all, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, then I hope you'll consider subscribing, because I would love to see you back here next week when I do more stuff. Bye.